Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Let's begin. What does Section 47 of the CRPC primarily deal with? Filing of a suit, execution of decree, jurisdiction of courts, or review of judgment? The correct answer is option B, execution of decree. Recently, in the Periyamal and others versus Rajamani and another's case, the Supreme Court held that despite the respondents having filed an application under Section 47 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, it would be treated as an application under Order 21, Rule 97 CPC, which eliminated the necessity for a separate application under that provision. Section 47 of the Code of Civil Procedure deals with questions related to decree execution. Next, what is the primary purpose of preventive detention? To punish for past crimes, to conduct a trial, to compensate victims, or to prevent further crimes? The correct answer is option D, to prevent further crimes. Recently, in the Manzoor Ahmad Wani versus Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir case, the Jammu and Kashmir High Court held that the prosecution never sought cancellation of the petitioner's bail despite having the explicit liberty to do so under the trial court's order. Preventive detention means the detention of a person without trial and conviction by a court. Its purpose is not to punish a person for a past offense, but to prevent him from committing an offense in the near future. Next, under which section of the Transfer of Property Act is the definition of transfer of property provided? Section 5, Section 6, Section 7, or Section 8? The correct answer is option A, Section 5. Transfer of property is defined under Section 5 of the Transfer of Property Act. It states that in the following sections, transfer of property means an act by which a living person conveys property in present or in future to one or more other living persons or to himself and one or more other living persons, and to transfer property is to perform such act. Next, under which section of the Specific Relief Act is the provision for the rectification of instruments provided? Section 24, Section 25, Section 26, or Section 27? The correct answer is option C, Section 26. Rectification means correction of an error in an instrument to give effect to the real intention of the parties. Section 26 of Specific Relief Act deals with the provision for rectification of instruments. Next, how many kinds of kidnapping are there in the Indian Penal Code 1860? 1, 3, 4, or 2? The correct answer is option D, 2. As per the Section 59 of the Indian Penal Code, kidnapping is of two kinds: kidnapping from India and kidnapping from lawful guardianship. Now it's time for the practice question. Under which section of the Indian Penal Code 1860 is the non-treatment of victim by public or private hospital punishable? Section 165A, Section 376D, Section 166B, or Section 288A? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.